acid is H3X3O4 minus, and the conjugate base is HX3O4 3 minus.
That's correct. Mfantsipim School, HX2O4 minus. Go ahead.
Okay. The conjugate acid is H2X2O4, and the conjugate base is X2O4 2 minus.
That's correct. Another preamble. Differentiate the rational function. Winneba, y equals the expression x plus 1 squared over the expression x minus 1 squared.
Okay, so the differential dy on the x is equal to the expression with numerator negative 8x and denominator the expression in brackets x minus 1, and that expression to an exponent of 4.
No. So I would allow Assin states to give their answer. So next time, if you are bailed out, I won't allow you to. You should speak within time.
Okay, we have dy over dx to be equal to an expression with numerator negative 2 and denominator x minus 1, that expression squared.
No. Swedru Senior High School, y equals the expression x minus 3 squared over the expression 2x plus 1 squared. Yes.
We have dy dx to be. We have a fraction with numerator in the first bracket 8x plus 4 in one bracket, multiplying the second bracket x minus 3 all squared minus another expression in the bracket 2x minus 4, multiplying another expression in the bracket 2x plus 1 all squared, in the denominator 2x plus 1 all raised to the power 4.
No. A bonus. Okay, Assin state y equals the expression 2x minus 1 squared over the expression 2x plus 1 squared.
We have dy over dx to be equal to an expression with numerator 64x and denominator 8x plus 4 that expression squared.
No. A bonus to Winneba Senior High School.
Okay, so dy on the x is equal to a fraction with a numerator 32x squared and the denominator, the expression in brackets 2x plus 1, that's expression to the power 4.
No. Mfantsipim. Y equals the expression x minus 3 squared over the expression x minus 2 squared. Yes, go ahead.
dy over dx is equal to a fraction with numerator, the expression negative 2 multiplying in a bracket x minus 3, and denominator, the expression x minus 2, and the x minus 2 has a power of 3.
No. A bonus. Okay, so the only thing missing with Mfantsipim answer was the negative in front of the 2. I don't have that. So it's 2 multiplying the expression x minus 3 on the expression x minus 2 cube. Okay. Assin states, yours was 8 multiplying the expression 2x minus 1 on the expression 2x plus 1 cube. Swedru, 6 multiplying the expression x minus 3 on the expression 2x plus 1 cube. And then Winneba Senior High School, minus 4 multiplying the expression x plus 1 on the expression x minus 1 cube. Okay. Another preamble. A heat engine operates between a hot reservoir at temperature TH and a cold reservoir at temperature TC. I'll take that again. A heat engine operates between a hot reservoir at temperature TH and a cold reservoir at temperature TC. Winneba, find the maximum thermal efficiency the engine can have if TH equals 352 degrees Celsius and TC equals 87 degrees Celsius. A bonus. Okay. I'll come back to the answers. Swedru Senior High School. Find TH if TC equals 77.0 degrees Celsius and the maximum thermal efficiency the engine can have is 30.0%. Go ahead.
We have TH to be 110 degrees Celsius.
No. A bonus in Mfantsipim.
TH is equal to 227 degrees Celsius.
That's correct. Assin state, find TC if TH equals 567 degrees Celsius, 567 degrees Celsius, and the maximum thermal efficiency the engine can have is 30.0%. Go ahead.
We have 170 degrees Celsius.
No. Yes, Winneba.
315 degrees Celsius.
That's correct. Mfantsipim, find the maximum thermal efficiency the engine can have if TH equals 461 degrees Celsius and TC equals 57 degrees Celsius. If you have an answer, go ahead. Go ahead.
The maximum thermal efficiency that heat engine can have is equal to 54 point. Yes, so it's equal to 54.6%.
No, a bonus. It's equal to 55%. Winneba, where do turtles live? Go ahead.
Marine waters, example the sea.
Okay, I'll take it. Swedru, where do tortoises live?
Tortoises live in terrestrial habitat. An example of which is the forest.
I'll take it. Assin state, where do terrapins live?
Terrapins live under marshy areas. So they
No.
live in marshy
Okay,
areas.
sorry. Go ahead.
They live in marshy areas or terrestrial areas.
No. Okay. Mfantsipim, turtles, terrapins, and tortoises are in the taxonomic order Chelonia or Chelonia, Chelonia. What does Chelonia mean?
Chelonia means modified limbs. They have hand-like structures for paddling. So chelonia is like handed.
No. So it means tortoise. It means tortoise in Greek. Yes. So terrapins live in salty or brackish water, and then Swedru tortoises live on land. But he said terrestrial. So okay. Another preamble. The name of the given compound is incorrect. Give the appropriate name based on the IUPAC system of naming. Winneba, 2-methyl-2-chlorobutane. Please give them 30 seconds for this. 2-methyl-2-chlorobutane. Go ahead.
2-chloro-2-methylbutane.
That's correct. Swedru, 2,4-dimethylbutane. Go ahead.
2-methylpropane.
No. A bonus in Mfantsipim.
2-methyl-pentane.
That's correct. Assin state 3-methyl-3-butene.
Two methyl, 1-butene.
That's correct. Mfantsipim. 1-methyl-2-chloropropane. Yes.
2-chlorobutane.
That's correct. Preamble. Find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the pair of lines L1 and L2. Find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the pair of lines L1 and L2. Winneba, L1 through -1,2 with slope 1, and L2 through 2,1 with slope -1. Go ahead.
Okay, so y equals 3 and x equals y equals 3 and x is equal to 0, and the point is 0, 3.
I'll give it to you. Swedru. L1 through the origin with slope 1, and L2 through 1,1 with slope -2. Go ahead.
We have the value of x to be 1.
Give me the coordinates. Don't give me coordinates. That's the question I asked you.
1,1.
That's correct. Assin State. And next time, if the bell goes before you give your answer, I won't allow you. Assin State. L1 through -1,4 with slope -1. And L2 through 2, -2 with slope 2. Yes.
So we have the coordinate to be 3,0.
That's correct. Mfantsipim. L1 through 2,1 and parallel to y equals x. And L2 through 1, -2 and slope 2. Go ahead, okay. Give your answer when you're ready. Go ahead.
The point here, the coordinate of the point is equal to 3,2.
That's correct. Our final set of questions for round 1. And this is a preamble to all the schools. A simple pendulum of length L undergoes small amplitude oscillations of period T. Find the magnitude of the local gravitational field, given that, I'll take that again. A simple pendulum of length L undergoes small amplitude oscillations of period T. Find the magnitude of the local gravitational field, given that Winneba L equals 2.5 meters and T equals 7.8 seconds. Yes.
Okay,
Go ahead.
9.8 meters per second squared.
No. A bonus. Swedru, L equals 2.5 meters and T equals 20.0 seconds. No, you've been bailed out. A bonus in Mfantsipim School.
0.25 meters per second squared.
That's correct. Assin State, L equals 2.0 meters and T equals 6.6 seconds. A bonus. Okay. Mfantsipim. L equals 2.0 meters and T equals 7.8 seconds. Go ahead.
0.63 meters per second squared.
No. A bonus. Okay, I have 1.3 meters per second squared from Mfantsipim, 1.8 meters per second squared for Assin State, and then for Winneba, 1.6 meters per second squared. That brings us to the end of round 1.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
At the end of round 1, the scores are Assin State College, 8 points. Swedru Senior High School, 9 points. Winneba Senior High School, 10 points. Mfantsipim School, 16 points. So that brings us to round 2. In this round, which is the speed race, each question is open to all the schools at the same time. At any time, if you have an answer, you can ring your bell. I'll stop and allow you to give your answer. If you give the first correct answer, 3 points. Second correct answer is 2 points. A third or fourth correct answer is worth 1 point. At any time, if you give an incorrect answer, there's a penalty point of 1. And here, if you ring your bell, you are given the answer. Don't read out the question back to me. Don't give me prelim statements, just the answer, okay? Our first question. Determine the volume of 0.20 mole per dm cube of BA bracket open OH bracket close subscript 2 required to neutralize 400 cm cube of 0.10 mole per dm cube of hydrochloric acid. Yes, Mfantsipim. Go ahead.
400 centimeter cube.
No. Winneba has rang their bell. Okay, Winneba. Go ahead.
100 centimeter cube.
Yes, that's correct. Our next question. On heating, ammonium dichromate, so bracket open, NH4, bracket close, subscript 2, Cr2O7, produces nitrogen gas, water, and chromium 3 oxide. What is the sum of the coefficients of products in a balanced equation for this reaction? Yes, Mfantsipim.
6.
That's correct. What is the molar mass of the 4th member of the homologous series of alkenes? Winneba. Answer.
56 grams per mole.
No. Who rang the bell next? Mfantsipim.
Madam. 70 grams per mole.
That's correct. Our next question. How did Carolus Linnaeus stop the multinomial system of naming organisms? Swedru.
He did so by introducing the binomial system of nomenclature.
That's correct. What is the study of the interactions of an individual organism? Yes.
Horticology.
That's correct. Our next question. What is a health profession or treatment regimen that aims to improve movement and mobility in persons with compromised physical functioning? Yes, in Mfantsipim School.
Physiotherapy.
That's correct. A particle moving in a straight line with uniform acceleration covers a distance of 100 meters, while speed changes from 5 meters per second to 15 meters. Winneba.
1 meter per second squared.
That's correct. Evaluate the limit. Limit as x approaches minus 3. So of an expression, numerator is x squared plus 2x minus 3. Yes, Swedru.
Minus 4.
That's correct. Two fair dice are thrown, and the total score is 8. Find the probability both scores are odd numbers. Assin state. I like the speed. It means give me your answer. Yes.
1/2.
No. Yes, Winneba.
1/18.
No. Anybody rang their bell? Okay, yeah, Mfantsipim. Go ahead.
4/7.
No. Swedru.
Okay. 1 out of 6. 1 on 6.
No, no. So I said that two fair dice are thrown, the total score is 8. And find the probability that both scores are odd numbers. So for the sample space S, you have 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, and 6, 2. And then for them to be odd numbers, you have 3, 5, 4, 5, 3. So it's 2 on 5. A conducting loop of radius 0.25 meters carries a current of 8.0 amperes. Find the magnitude, I'll take that again. Find the magnetic dipole moment of the loop if it lies in the XY plane and the current flow is counterclockwise. Okay, 1.6 k ampere meter squared. Find the moment of inertia in a uniform solid sphere of mass 0.20 kilograms and radius 0.20 meters. Yes, Mfantsipim.
3.2 times 10. And the 10 has a power of -3 kilogram meter squared.
That's correct. Our last question for this round. Find the apparent weight of a 750 Newton object in an elevator accelerating vertically upward at 2 meters. Winneba. Yes.
Okay, so 900 newtons.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round 2. At the end of round 2, here are the scores. Assin State College, 7 points. Swedru Senior High School, 14 points. Winneba Senior High School, 16 points. Mfantsipim School, 28 points. Before we move on to round 3, Swedru Senior High School would like Kelvin to come on for Prince. Okay, that brings us to round 3. In this round, I'll read out a series of statements to each school, and all I want you to tell me if the statement is true or false. If you give me a correct answer, you have 2 points. If your answer is incorrect, a penalty point of 1. If you decline to answer or you are bailed out, another school can bring your question for the same rules. 2 points if they are correct, and a penalty point if they are incorrect. And I want you to look at me, okay? So no communication with the crowd. All answers should come from you to me. In this round, I'll begin with Swedru Senior High School. A preamble. If the sum of 2 integers is odd, then Swedru, at least one of the numbers is odd.
It's a true statement.
No, it's false. Assin State, at most, one of the numbers is odd.
False.
Yes, it's false. Mfantsipim. Both numbers are odd. Mfantsipim, both numbers are odd.
False.
Yes, it's false. Winneba, exactly one number is odd.
True.
Yes, it's true. Swedru SHS. Fractional distillation is used for liquids with similar reactivities.
False.
Yes, it's false. Assin State, liquids must have similar solubilities in water for effective distillation.
False.
Yes, it's false. Mfantsipim. When liquids have widely different viscosities, simple distillation is used to separate them.
False.
Yes, it's false. Winneba. Liquids with sufficiently different densities require fractional distillation instead of simple distillation for separation.
False.
Should I accept the answer? Okay, that's correct. Swedru Senior High School. Aspergillosis is a worm infection in humans. Aspergillosis is a worm infection in humans.
False.
Yes, it's false. Assin State, athlete's foot is a viral infection in humans.
False.
Yes, that's correct. Mfantsipim. Coccidiomycosis is a fungal infection in humans.
False.
No, it's true. Winneba. Sporotrichosis is a yeast infection in humans.
True.
No, it's false. A preamble, and they should have 30 seconds to answer this, okay? The current in a conducting wire is 4.0 amperes. The current in a conducting wire is 4.0 amperes. Swedru, if the wire is made of copper metal, 2.5 times 10 to the power 19 electrons cross a cross-section of the wire each second.
False.
No, it's true. Assin states, if the wire is made of sodium metal, 2.5 times 10 to the power 19 electrons cross a cross-section of the wire each second.
False.
No, it's true. Mfantsipim, if the wire is made of aluminium metal, 7.5 times 10 to the power 19 electrons cross a cross-section of the wire each second. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Winneba, if the wire is made of magnesium, 2.5 times 10 to the power 19 electrons cross a cross-section of the wire each second.
False.
No, it's true. Swedru, every triangle has at least 2 acute angles.
False.
No, it's true. Assin states, if a triangle has an obtuse angle, then it has exactly 2 acute angles.
True.
Yes, it's true. Mfantsipim, if a triangle has 2 congruent angles, then the third angle is obtuse. Yes.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Winneba, if a triangle is scalene, then all 3 angles are acute.
False.
Yes, it's false. Swedru SHS. Copper 2 sulfide is black.
True.
Yes, it's true. Assin states, lead 2 sulfide is black.
False.
No, it's true. Mfantsipim, zinc sulfide is black. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Winneba, nickel 2 sulfide is black.
False.
No, it's true. Winneba, names of genera can apply to different organisms.
False.
Yes, it's false. Assin state, names of genera are specific to kingdoms.
False.
No, it's true. Mfantsipim, specific epithets are specific to kingdoms.
It's true.
No, it's false. Winneba, specific epithets are specific to genera.
True.
No, it's false. Swedru, our last set of questions for this round. Swedru, K alpha photons are generally more energetic than gamma photons. Look at me.
False.
Yes, it's false. Assin state, K alpha photons are more energetic than K beta photons.
True.
Yes, that's true. Mfantsipim, K alpha photons are more energetic than L beta photons.
False.
No, it's true. Winneba, L alpha photons are more energetic than L beta photons.
True.
Yes, and that brings us to the end of round 3.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
At the end of round 3, the scores are Assin State College, 14 points. Winneba Senior High School, 20 points. Swedru Senior High School, 21 points. Mfantsipim School, 35 points. Round 4. So this is where we decide the first school to qualify for the Central Regional Championship. Okay, And we are going to decide the school based on 4 riddles. I would assist you to solve for these riddles by reading out a series of clues. At any point when I'm reading, if you are convinced you know what I'm talking about, ring your bell. I'll stop and allow you to give your answer. If you give me a correct answer on the first clue, you'd have 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. Any clue after that, you get 3 points. If the answer is incorrect here, there's no penalty. You just stay out of that particular riddle and allow the other schools to attempt to tell me what I'm reading about. Okay. So our first riddle, and here are the clues. I am a colorless and odorless gas. Yes, Winneba.
Carbon dioxide gas.
No. I'll continue. I belong to the noble gas family. I do not react with anything except fluorine gas. Yes, Mfantsipim.
Xenon.
No.
Gas.
No. I'll continue. I am one of the rarest gas in the Earth's atmosphere. My Greek name, Swedru.
Helium.
No.
Gas.
No. So I'll continue for the benefit of Assin State. My Greek name reflects the difficulty in finding me. You find me in period 4. Who am I? Yes.
Krypton.
That's correct. Okay. So our next riddle. I am a 3-digit number. I am an odd number. I am an exact square. I am between 600 and 700. I am the square of a square. Yes, Mfantsipim.
625.
That's correct. Our next riddle. I am an optical device. I am catoptric. I am the type of optic that serves as the primary element in a Newtonian telescope. I have uniform curvature. I am characterized by a positive radius. Yes, Mfantsipim.
Convex lens.
No. Who rang the bell next? Swedru. Remove your hand, yes. Go ahead.
Concave lens.
No. Anybody else? Okay, I'll continue. I'm characterized by a positive radius. Half my radius specifies my most important optical property that affects my image formation properties. Who am I? Winneba.
Concave mirror.
No. Assin State.
Mirror.
No. It's a concave spherical mirror. Our last riddle. We are a disregarded group of organisms. We form mycelia, just like our other relatives. We attach to substrates with rhizoids, just like our other relatives. We are ubiquitous in aquatic environments. We are the fungi in water bodies. Who are we? Winneba.
Omycetes.
No. Who rang the bell next? Swedru, yes.
Chytridiomycetes.
No. Next. Assin.
We have rhizobium.
No. Yes, in front of him.
Hydromycete.
No. Okay, and yeah. So I have aquatic fungi. Okay, that brings us to the end of round 4.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP RON 95. Goil, good energy.
At the end of round 4, the scores are Assin State College, 17 points. Winneba Senior High School, 20 points. Swedru Senior High School, 21 points. Mfantsipim School, 38 points. With that score, Mfantsipim School wins this contest and qualifies for the finals of the Central Regional Championship. Congratulations, Mfantsipim. Better luck next time too. Swedru Senior High School, Winneba Senior High School, and Assin State College. Thank you for joining us for the Gold Regional Championship from the Central Region. Do join us when we bring you the contest, which will feature St. Augustine's College, Wesley Girls High School, Holy Child School, and T.I. Amas Ekumfi. The Gold Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by GOL with support from Joy News. This is a primetime production. Thank you and see you soon.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP RON 95. Goil, good energy.